We're making a perfect breakfast item today. It's one of my favorite things, egg bites. And these are so much better and healthier and cheaper than the ones that you get at the coffee shops. And they travel well, they freeze well, they reheat in the microwave well, so they're awesome to make in advance and take to work. And so simple, and you can adapt them and make them to however you want. With a 1/4 cup of milk, this happens to be coconut milk because this is dairy-free. And to that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of plant-based sour cream. Elmhurst is a really good brand for plant-based sour cream. You can leave that out, or you can add cream if you want to, your milk or cream of preference. And then I'm going to add a decent pinch of salt. Not a whole lot because I'm going to add pesto to this, and a little bit of pepper. And then I've got a healthy tablespoon of pesto going on, and this is just the store-bought pesto. You can use homemade if you want, but for convenience sake, I'm using store-bought. And then I'm going to crack in 4 eggs. And these are good pasture-raised eggs. You can always tell by those beautiful golden yolks. And then all I need to do is whisk this up. And I love this old-fashioned new egg beater. My mom got this for me, just like the old-fashioned egg beaters. And when you need to do more than a couple of eggs, it works a lot better than a fork and much quicker. This is my egg bite mold. And these you can get for like $10 on Amazon. I will link below, and I've sprayed it with just a little bit of spray oil, some avocado oil that I had. And I'm going to start by putting a little bit of cheese in here. I shouldn't say this is actually vegetarian because this is goat's milk cheese, but it's non-dairy, the kind of dairy that bothers me. Anyway, your cheese of choice. And I just put a sprinkling in each cup. It just gives it a wonderful cheesiness when you bite into these. That's so pleasing. All loaded with cheese. My eggs are ready. I've got just a small handful of Kalamata olives, and I want to give those a good chop. These are going to be tasty. Like I said, you can put anything in this. You could put some crumbled sausage or bacon into these, some leftover ham from dinner the night before. Really, anything works fabulously for these. And I'm going to put my little olives in here, And then last but certainly not least, I have some little cherry tomatoes. These are right out of our garden, folks, so you know they're awesome. And if they're super tiny, actually, I'm going to put those in here as well. Okay, little teeny cherry tomatoes all ready to go. Now before I fill these cups up, I want to get this nice and steady on the trivet that goes into my Ninja Foodi. You can use an Instapot or a Ninja Foodi for this, but then I'm just going to pour this egg batter over, filling almost all the way to the top. You need to leave just a wee bit of room. Then I need to cover it with foil. Right, then I'm going to pour about a cup of water into my Ninja Foodi, and I'm going to lower this whole contraption in here, and then I'm going to put it on the steam setting for 10 minutes. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel, which is at TaylorKitchen 5226. Leave a comment. We love to hear from you and let us know what you want us to make on TaylorKitchen. Also, check out our website, tkfoodi.com. We have lots of great content on there, as well as on our Instagram page, TaylorKitchen TMT. And when you're on our site, make sure you sign up so you get emails and notifications from us. We don't want you to miss out on a thing at tkfoodi.com. There we go. Out of my Ninja Foodi. I'm going to carefully remove the foil from this. Oh, it looks so tasty already. Wow. Let's slide this off the trivet. It's a little bit hot. Then we just need to gently press them out of this egg mold, and because it's silicone and because I made sure to spray it, they should come out very easily. There's a little kind of a button that you'll see on the bottom of these that you can just press that, and look how easily they pop out. Well, one kind of wanted to break a little bit, that's the one I'm gonna dive into. Let me just put one of these on my plate. That is so pretty, beautiful. The pesto that I used in there just gives it these little beautiful green flakes throughout. You can see how delicious that is. Whoa. Look at that. Oh. All right, let me give it a taste. Those tomatoes give it a nice pop of sweetness. And that briny Kalamata olive bite in there, along with a little bit of creamy cheese. And that pesto just mingling everything all throughout these egg bites. This is one tasty bite, folks. You've got to give this one a try. Check out the easy recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com.